Labrador tea, also known as Ledum groenlandicum, is a shrub that is native to the northern regions of North America, Asia, and Europe. This plant is known for its strong fragrance and medicinal properties. If you are interested in growing Labrador tea, here are some tips to help you get started. Choose the right location. Labrador tea requires a cool and moist environment. The plant should be planted in an area that receives soil that is well draining and rich in organic matter. Avoid planting it in areas that are too dry or too hot, as the plant may struggle to survive in such conditions. Planting time. The best time to plant Labrador tea is in the spring or fall. You can either plant seeds or young plants. If you are planting seeds, they should be sown in the fall, as they require a period of cold stratification to germinate. Young plants should be planted in the spring after the danger of frost has passed. Watering and fertilizing. Labrador tea requires consistent moisture, so it is important to water it regularly. However, it is also important to avoid overwatering, as this can cause root rot. The plant does not require much fertilization, but you can add a slow-release fertilizer to the soil in the spring. Pruning. Labrador tea does not require much pruning, but you can prune it in the spring to shape it or remove any dead or damaged branches. It is important to use clean and sharp pruning shears to avoid damaging the plant. Pests and diseases. Labrador tea is relatively resistant to pests and diseases. However, it can be affected by leaf spot and root rot if it is planted in poly-draining soil. You can prevent these issues by ensuring that the soil is well draining and avoiding overwatering. Harvesting. The leaves of Labrador tea can be harvested in the late spring or early summer. You can either dry the leaves or use them fresh. The leaves are known for their medicinal properties, and can be used to make tea or tinctures. In conclusion, growing Labrador tea can be a rewarding experience for those who love herbal remedies and gardening. By following the tips outlined above, you can successfully grow and harvest this useful and aromatic